Hi guys, today I'm going to show you um, 2 codes for Moshi Monsters to be a member for 24 hours. The first one is gold, which you might have seen on an ad, and you can't use it again. So the other one is ticket. So yeah, those are 2 codes, and if you have got an account on Moshi Monsters, then you can type it in. So if you log in, this is how I found tickets, is because there's like these tickets floating around, and they tell you codes to be a member. And that's how I found that. And then gold, as I told you before, I found it on the Moshi Monsters ad. So hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching, and bye.